Hello and welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to try to write our Hello World program using 4 different programming languages, which are Rust, C++, C and JavaScript. So now we are going to start our video. I hope you are going to like it, and if you want to support me, please check the link in description which is going to send you to our Patreon page. So let's start. So now we are going to start writing our Hello World programs, and we are going to start using Rust. So we're just gonna open our Rust file, which is helix main.rs. Now we are going to create our main function, fn main. We are going to use print line, so print ln exclamation point, which is very important, don't forget it, I always forget it. Now we are just going to write hello world, and we don't forget our semicolon. So escape, we're just gonna save it using write and quit right now, and we're just gonna go into compile it using rust c main.rs, and now we are just going to run our application, our executable, so main, and we have our hello world. We're gonna clear this, and we are going to use right now C++, so hx main.cpp. we're just gonna include IOStream, which is for input and output. I'm gonna open our main function, int main, and we are going to use the standard libraries, std cout, and we are going to write hello world. So hello world, and we are going to just close our using our cout using our semicolon, and we are just going to return to 0. Now we are going to save it, quit again, and we are going to use gcc g++ main.cpp. For C++, you will need to use g++ instead of gcc, so g++ main.cpp, and I think it's going to output a.out, which is going to give us a hello world. So we're just gonna clear this, and right now we are going to go using hx main.c. So now the third programming language we are going to write a hello world for is the C programming language. So hx main.c, insert mode, include the standard library, which is for the standard library for input and output, which is studio.h. we're gonna create our main function. We are going to use the print f function, and we are just going to write hello world. Now we are just going to escape from this. I can just do this. I think I can do something like that, and we are going to write and quit gcc main.c, and we are just going to run again a.out. it's going to automatically replace it, and we have our hello world right here. So now we're just going to clear this and clear, and we are going now to use JavaScript. I have Node.js installed, so I can just run it using Node.js. So we are going to create a new JS file. It's pretty easy here in using JavaScript. It's very easy. console.log and hello world, just like this. You can add a semicolon, you can just don't use a semicolon, but I prefer using it. It's a very good practice to do. So write and quit npm main, no, it's node main.js, and it's giving us our hello world. So this is our video. We just wrote a hello world program using 4 different programming languages, using the Helix code editor and our compilers that I have installed. It's very easy in all the programming language. You can see that C++ is a bit longer, and the easiest one is the JavaScript. And Rust seems easy right now, but if you dive into it, it gets harder. But to write a hello world program, it's pretty easy. So I hope you liked the video, and you're going to like and subscribe and share with your friends. So goodbye to another video.